Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Okay, welcome to the fam. All right, we here for you. And then if it's child, and if it's not your first time here, welcome back. Okay, welcome back. I appreciate all the love. If you do not know who I am, by the way, my name is Porsche Lua, and I appreciate you guys so much. If y'all like what y'all see in this, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Hit it as you go, okay? Because we don't want to cut no corners. We're trying to get straight to it. Okay, so essentially, also ignore my extremely fall throw in the background. Really, I just haven't had a chance to switch out some of my decor, but it's whatever. I already started on the other side of the living room, and I'm gonna get to this side a little later. But yeah, so essentially, if you guys have seen this title, I mean, I'm sure you have, you're on the video. We are doing a vision board for the year of 2022. Okay, so I know you're probably like, wait a minute, P, like it's February. Like, it doesn't matter. It really does not matter. Like, you should truly do the vision board when you see fit. Like, if you're thinking, I want to switch it up, next month, do a vision board. If you feel like you want to make yourself a lifestyle change, do a vision board. Like, I am here because I want to put in the work, and I hope that you're here too, just to see, maybe get some ideas, because some of the ideas I have you may want to use, some of the ideas y'all have I may want to use. So definitely leave your comments below if you guys have any other good ideas for vision boards. But I mean, I'm essentially just going to show you how I'm doing mine. Okay, cool. So essentially, everything you need, you're going to need some scissors, some glue. I also have the spray glue. I just don't know where it's at. You're going to need the visions to put on the board. And that's mainly you, but make sure you print them off because you're going to have to put them on the board, okay? And of course, you're going to need the poster board. Mine is underneath all my stuff right now. But yeah, you're going to need a poster board. Okay, boom. And mine's a little beat up, and that's because I'm recycling mine just to save the environment, for one. And two, I didn't complete it the last time I was doing it. Even though I love doing vision boards and I just kind of tried to do the digital one, I wasn't a big fan of that, so I'm going back to tried and true. Gone are the years of the magazines, and now you can go straight to Pinterest, so make sure you guys get what you want. And I'll definitely do like a quick little where I found my stuff type of thing. But yeah, I might do that. I'm gonna let y'all know. Well, y'all see it. If it's there, y'all will see it. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I went ahead and went to Pinterest, and I just wanted to find things that really were fitting my aesthetic, fitting my mood, and giving me my vision. Okay, and really this is all about you. So where I compiled these was actually in Canva, and so I'm going to show you just like how I compiled them, just pretty simply, because I just wanted to make sure, like when I printed out, I saved enough paper and space, and that I got everything that I wanted and put it on there just right, so that way I could see, clip out things the way I wanted them. And honestly, I just made sure they fit on the sheet of paper. And then after that, it just really was a no-brainer. But just really go with the things that make sense to you and that fuel your vision. Okay, so I actually do want to go through like some of the things I'm putting on my vision board, and then I'll just kind of like show you how I'm arranging it. I know a lot of people are superstitious, like worried about people praying on their vision, but if your vision is so strong that, I mean, sometimes nothing else will ever matter. So my quote that I've picked is right here. So it's, where you are a year from now is a reflection of the choices you choose to make right now. And I wanted that as big as I could get it. And I mean, my visions are definitely, I got a lot of different things I printed out. I had a weight loss goal. I wanted to, get into self-care. I really just wanted to, really get everything going. Like I put, acting on there. Whew, there are some good, actually some of this got messed up. It's okay. Yeah, some of it got a little messed up, but it's okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and cut all these things out, and we are then going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've got everything cut out. So what I'm going to do, just to kind of like speed up this video, is I'm gonna go ahead and compile it, because this is the part that you really need to hone in on and the part that you really need to do yourself. Like, I don't even want to be on camera putting together my vision. Does that make sense? Like, put your vision together. That's the only thing that I think I'm superstitious about. Be with yourself or in your own mind frame, putting your vision together. Like, that is pertinent. Like, that will change how you see it, how your vision will flow, how everything is put together. And then, so once I compile all of that, I'm gonna let y'all just go ahead and like check it out, you know, see how it came all together, how it became aesthetic, because bro, I mean, because we want something that we can put up on the wall, you know, and it could also be like my goals, you know what I mean? So let me actually just go ahead and do that, and then I will be back on cam. Because if we not doing a vision, then what we doing, baby? Okay, it's 2022. Okay, but yeah, so let me go ahead and get to that, and I will be back. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. So let me just give you an overview real quick. Okay, so this is how everything came together. Honestly, the images from Pinterest just look so amazing on, and then of course we have our quote. Sorry, I have a little bubbling here, but it's okay. Yeah, so everything actually turned out pretty perfect. Now, the reason why we're making these vision boards, I don't know if I already told you this, but it's because we want to make sure that we get in and hone in on our visions for the year. It does not matter if you see this video in December. There might be still time to make that month-long vision board, so that way you know what you need to be doing in January. Okay, so it does not matter when you make the video, or not the video, when you make the poster, the vision board. It just matters that you get it done, because we are putting this and willing this into our lives. It helps just create like a visual effect for what you want and what you want to obtain, and just kind of everything that you feel you truly need to do for yourself. And everybody's vision is going to be different, and some of these pictures may mean absolutely nothing to you, but they mean the world to me. All right, so thank you so much guys for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate all the love and support. If you love this type of content, you know, on vision boards and whatnot, definitely leave that thumbs up down below, as well as hit that subscribe button. Like, I cannot stress that enough. Okay, if y'all love to see me and you love this type of content, or this is resonating with you, like, please let me know so I can feel inspired and motivated to make more content. Okay, like, I do this for y'all and I do it for me. All right, so just so you know, and don't forget to follow me on my other social media channels. I definitely will be posting more and giving you guys more story times and like content and all types of stuff, so definitely stay tuned, and I will see y'all next time.